Angelica and welcome to my channel. So the weather recently been so nice and hot and I noticed I don't have that many summery clothes. So I decided to make few outfits myself. So this video is going to be thrift flips because all the items I'm using in this video are coming from charity shop and I paid £1 for each item. Also, all these projects are super easy to make. You don't need sewing machine. I'm going to use only fabric glue and knitted elastic. So if you are looking for some ideas on how to transform your old clothes into new stylish outfits, just keep watching this video. So for the first project, I'm using basic white t-shirt with some embroidered details and I want to make crop top out of it. So at first I'm taking pencil and making marks where I want my crop top to finish. So that's the first line, and the lower line is where I'm gonna cut this t-shirt. With the pencil and ruler, I'm making straight line where I'm going to cut my t-shirt. Now I'm using sharp scissors to cut my t-shirt. Now I'm flipping my t-shirt over so the seam will be inside the t-shirt. If you are interested how I made this tie-dye t-shirt using natural ingredients, I will link it up here. So now using knitted elastic, I'm gonna measure the length around my chest. So this elastic will go around of the bottom of our crop top. So as I said before, I'm not using sewing machine in this project. Instead of that, I'm using fabric glue. Now I'm applying a small amount of fabric glue. Just remember to make enough room for the elastic to go through. So basically, you're gluing only the edge of the t-shirt, leaving the gap, the hole inside, empty. Hold for a few seconds so the fabric will stick nicely together and then repeat the process all the way. It's really simple to do it, you just have to be careful with the glue. Fortunately, the glue I've got is not the best one, it's really runny, so I have to make sure not to put too much of it so it won't go through the material. If you know any good brands of fabric glue, let me know in comments down below. I'm happy to try something different. Now when you reach the end, leave a little gap for your elastic. So I attached the safety pin to my elastic, which helps me to put the elastic through the t-shirt much easier. And now simply push it all the way. So now I've got two ends of elastic together, so I can remove the pin. Now simply make double knot to secure the elastic. So basically this technique, you can use it on any kind of t-shirt you got at home. If it's maybe dirty on the bottom or got some holes, you can just cut it off and make a crop top out of it. Cover it with the rest of the fabric and glue it together. So to change the look of this t-shirt a little bit more, I've decided to add another details. So I'm simply roll the sleeve just a couple of times. I think it gives this crop top just a little bit different shape. Then using thread and needle, I sew it a few times just to secure it so it won't unwrap while you're working or during the washing. And I done the same on the other side and then on the other sleeve. I really like how it turns out, really nice crop top for hot days instead of a long t-shirt. I really like the design on this t-shirt anyway, so as a crop top it looks really good. So for this project I'm using a long pair of jeans. I like them for the color. They are a little bit too big on waist and obviously they're long but too short for me. My plan is to make shorts out of it. So the same here, I'm making the lines where I want my shirts to finish and where I have to cut them. Because I want to wrap them a few times up, the bottom line is quite low. And because they are too big on waist for me, I'm gonna put some elastic around so they will fit nicely and won't stick out on the back. So at first I'm removing the patch from the back of the trousers. I was worrying it's glued to the material, but it wasn't, and it was quite easy to remove it. After I cut the length off, I started to wrapping the trousers to the length I want my shorts to be. Always make sure that both legs are on the same length. Then I secure it with thread and needle, so that way they won't unwrap during walking or in the washing machine. I just went through the material a couple of times and then make a knot at the end. So then I wanted to add some elastic on the waist. With trousers like that it's easy because the top part is made of like two layers and it's empty inside, so it's easy just to put the elastic through it. And just using the scissor I try to make a hole. Just remember to cut the first layer, don't go through both of the layers of the denim. And the same, I added some safety pins for a quicker and easier job. Then I simply attach the elastic to the denim using thread and needle. I really love how it turns out. They fit perfect on my waist now, and the length of the shorts is just perfect. They cover everything what they should cover. Good thing about shorts like that, they go with so many different outfits. So for the last project, I'm using men's t-shirt in size extra large. I really like it for its color and the big Puma sign on the top. So obviously at the moment it looks like a dress on me, but what I want to do, I want to make crop top and skirt out of it, so it will make nice matching set. So like with the previous crop top, first I'm marking where I want my crop top to finish, and then I'm adding a little bit of more fabric so then I can glue it. So with this one I'm gonna cut it just under the Puma sign. Then again measure the length of your chest and on your waist for the skirt. Mark the straight line for the easy cut. So now you can see we're creating two parts, top one for the crop top and the bottom part of the t-shirt, which is gonna turn to our skirt. Okay, so let's work with the top part first. So basically it will be the same process what we've done with the first project. So I'm turning my top inside out, gluing the bottom part of it, making sure to leave enough room for the elastic to go through. Then I jump to my bottom part of the t-shirt and I'm doing the same process what I've done before. So I'm basically gluing the edge of the t-shirt, leaving enough room for elastic. After the glue is dry, I'm putting elastic through the top part of my t-shirt. And then I'm doing the same thing with the skirt. So the set is ready. I literally can't believe how cool is that. I love the big sign on the crop top and the matching skirt. So next time you go to charity shop, make sure you check the men's section as well. I hope you like these ideas on how you can transform your old clothes or just the ones they don't fit you as nice as you would like them to. I personally love these easy projects when you don't have to use a sewing machine. I have sewing machine at home, but I wasn't brave enough yet to take it out of the box and start learning. Of course, that's the thing I would love to learn one day. But for now, I'm happy to use the fabric glue, which works just fine. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more DIYs, project and thrift flips. If you like this video, please click the like button and I will see you next time.